4 and 12 both are divisible by 4. 4 divided by 4 gives us 1. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So 7 times 3, that gives us 21. And 21 divided by 21, that gives us 1. But this answer is not right, because according to the order of operations, we must solve parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, if in any expression you have both multiplication and division present, you must work from left to right, and same applies to addition and subtraction. Now let's rewind and solve this problem the right way. If you notice, in this expression we have division and multiplication operators present. In between we have a fraction. This is not 7 divided by 4, this is 7 over 4. So it should be treated like a fraction. So division and multiplication have equal priority as mentioned here in the rules, but we also mentioned that we must work from left to right. So we have to solve this part first. 21 divided by 7 over 4. To solve it, we can apply KCF rule here: keep, change and flip. Keep means we keep 21 as it is. Change means we change the division operator to multiplication, and flip means we flip 7 over 4 as 4 over 7, and then we have times 12 present from the original expression. Now 21 and 7, they both are divisible by 7, so 7 divided by 7, that gives us 1, and 21 divided by 7, that gives us 3. So this gives us 3 times 4 times 12. 3 times 4 equals 12, and 12 times 12 equals 144, which is the final and correct answer to this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, comment your answers, and subscribe to our channel.